Hello, I'm Patrick Canales, a agronomist with ALCIVIA Co-op. Today I just want to take a few minutes to talk to you about fall burn down. Today we're standing in a field that we got sprayed once this spring, but a lot of grasses and whatnot came back before the end of the season here. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of broad leaves and grass coming through. Right now is a perfect time to get out, get these things sprayed, get them cleaned up before the spring of the year, so you can use less herbicide come spring of the year and you don't have so many breakthroughs. Also benefit right now, given the current circumstance with chemicals and everything in the country, now is going to be a perfect time to get that done at a very good price range. If you have any questions or you'd like to schedule some spraying, please reach out to your local agronomist and have a safe and fun harvest.
Hi, my name is Travis Hofslien, and I'm an agronomist with ALCIVIA. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about minimizing harvest losses and maximizing profits. So, something to think about as you're going through the field is that every 4 soybeans found in a 1 square foot area equals a bushel to the acre lost. And for every 2 kernels of corn in a square foot is a bushel loss. So minimizing those bushels will help you maximize your profits. So that's why you want to get out, check behind the combine, make sure all your settings are right, adjust those settings accordingly depending on what kind of piece of equipment you have. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to your local agronomist. Have a safe and happy harvest.